Innovation in agribusiness is not happening uniformly. It is fragmented, shaped by regional realities, constraints, and priorities. In the Americas, the focus is clear: scale and efficiency. Precision agriculture is no longer emerging, it is being integrated into large-scale systems. Data-driven crop management, automation, and advanced seed technologies are now influencing decisions directly in the field. The objective is not experimentation, but consistent, repeatable output. Innovation here is defined by performance at scale.
In Europe, innovation is being engineered within strict environment and regulatory frameworks. The shift is visible in regenerative practices, reduced chemical inputs, and full chain traceability. Farmers and producers are required not only to improve output, but to demonstrate how it is achieved. Digital tools are enabling real-time tracking of production, emissions, and supply chain transparency. This creates a different type of innovation environment, one that is structured and closely monitored. Innovation here is not only about efficiency, but about compliancy, documentation, and accountability.
In Africa, innovation is emerging under constraint. Limited access to infrastructure, water, and financing is driving highly practical solutions. Mobile-based advisory tools are supporting farmers directly, providing access to data, pricing, and weather insights. Decentralized supply chains are reducing dependency on large-scale infrastructure. Low-cost irrigation and input optimization are improving productivity at a local level. These innovations are designed to function immediately without reliance on complex systems. They are efficient, adaptable, and built for real operating conditions.
In Asia, innovation is driven by speed and demand. Rapid urbanization and changing consumption patterns are increasing pressure on food production systems. As a result, new models are scaling quickly. Aquaculture is expanding to meet protein demand. Vertical farming and controlled environment agriculture are being deployed in urban areas. Digital platforms are reshaping how food is distributed and accessed. The pace of adoption is fast, and innovation cycles are short. Solutions are implemented quickly and adjusted in real time.
Agribusiness innovation is no longer defined by a single model. It is shaped by different systems, operating conditions, and levels of maturity across markets. This creates a new level of complexity for organizations. Solutions that work in one environment cannot simply be transferred to another without adaptation. Understanding these differences is becoming increasingly important. This is where leadership plays a critical role. At Kestria, we work with agribusiness organizations to identify leaders who can operate across these dynamics, connecting innovation with execution in a global context.